Hi guys, so I've just got myself a Rubik's Cube, more like a mirror cube, because as you can see all the sides are of the same color, silver color, like mirror finish, and then the only way you can differentiate each piece is through the different dimensions. So just thought that would be fun if I do a solve and then a bit of a talk through of how I look at the piece. Yeah, so let's do a quick scramble on this. Alright, so the cube has been scrambled, so let's begin to solve this. So I will actually notice the shortest top, which is here, so that will be my top. I will try to use this as my bottom. Let's try to get a cross first. Let's try to find the cross. I notice this piece seems to be a bit long. It could match. Yep, so there's actually a piece right there. This is not. This could be. No, that's too short. Let's shift this one. Doesn't look like it. Okay, but then it seems like it's for a different side. So let's try to match this one. So it seems to be for that. So let's try to match this one. Let's see, this one seems to be for this. This one seems to be for here. And then I have 3 of my cross done. Let's look for the last one, which seems to be this one. So there, I got my cross done. And then let's see, this big piece seems suspicious. It could be for this side because these are all bigger pieces. So let's try to match. Yep, this is for here. So let's move that down. So I have this edge down there. This another big piece here. This seems to match here. Yep. So let's move this piece down. So I have this piece here. Let's try to match another piece right here. So this does not match. Let's try to match here. Yep, this matches. So this is for here. Last one. This piece looks like it could be for here. Yep. So there. So I have my first layer done. So let's move on to the next layer. So I got really lucky to have this piece down already. So let's look for the other 3 pieces. So this seems to be aligned. Could be, yep, this is for the right side. So let's move this to the right. There, I have this piece down here. Let's look for the next one. This looks to go to the right. Let's move this to the right. There. Okay, so the last one, this piece seems to be okay. This piece does not belong there. This piece, yeah, this is the piece I'm looking for. So let's move this down here. There. So now to form the cross on the last layer. So this is an L, now it's a cross. Identify this because I'm not familiar to use all the full layer perms, but so I'm just going to be using soon all the way. So I just turn it into a soon, then recognize that this soon is a left soon right here. So I'm just going to do it like that, and I got my flat layer. So just going to look for the edge that is of the same distance here. So there is my my right, and then just going to do a perm over here to mesh all the edges, the corners so there, and then I'll finish off with a U perm to the left. Okay, and there, solved.